We left at this point. No, a question. But before we solve the question, tell me one more thing. I don't want the answer, but I just want yes or no, whether it is possible or not. 3 is 17.3 divisible by 1.5 and 117 divisible by remainder case में 1.5 and fifth one is 17.3 divisible by 1.5. 3, 4 and 5 all are possible or any combination is possible. बताओ क्या लगता है? 3, 4 and 5 which one is possible and which one is not, or all are possible?
So aren't 3 and 5 the same?
3 and 5. अच्छा ऐसा कुछ कर दिया क्या मैंने? Let's I'll make it 2. Okay. So क्या लगता है? All possible? Any of them जो गलत है वो बताओ. Which you think won't work? All are incorrect. All are correct. So that means what I mean to ask is, will remainder operator work if the divisor and dividend is floating point? Both are floating point. One of them is floating point in that cases. Okay. So what I'll do is, rather don't believe me, but let's check it practically. The interpreter to direct return karta hai, so we'll directly check. 17 divided by 17.3 1.5. You are getting a float answer. Okay. You are again getting a float answer. And you are again getting a float answer. Okay. However, when both are integers, you are getting an integer answer. Right. So this way, if you remember, when we checked for multiplication, addition, and subtraction, this remainder operator also follows the same trend. If both are integer, then only remainder will be integer. Else, if any one of those happens to be a float, or both are happen to be float, then your answer will be a floating point number. Remainder will be in floating point. Okay. Right. So all are possible. That means even this remainder operator works with floating point numbers. ठीक है? Clear? So correct है. Even this is correct. Okay. Now coming to this question. So how shall we solve? So let's say user gives height in centimeters as 181 or anything 180. Okay. Now if you want to convert from this height in centimeters to inch, और एक बार inch आ गया तो then you can go to float. Sort of unitary method type का लगाओगे तो बन जाएगा. But we will be using remainder and integer division here majorly. So how do you go from 180 centimeters to feet? क्या करेंगे? Sorry, to inches. From centimeters to inches, how we will
divide by 2.4.
Divided by 2.54. So can we say height in inches or total inches is equals to centimeters, height in centimeters or length in centimeters divided by 2.54, right? So that means when you divide 180 2.5, whatever be some remainder, there will be some remainder, but we are not concerned about the remainder. चलो इसको सॉल्व ही कर लेते हैं मैथ्स की तरह पहले, and then we will see. So if 180 is divided by 2.54, you will see answer comes as something as 70.866. Okay, so this will give you answer as 70.866. Okay, but are we dealing with any unit more precise than inches in this question? नो, फीट को फाइनल आंसर तुम्हें फीट और इंचेस में चाहिए, 5 फीट 4 इंच या 6 फीट 5 इंच ऐसे करके चाहिए. सो फीट इंचेस के अलावा और कोई हाइट नहीं चाहिए. सो दिस फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट वी विल इग्नोर. ओके, सो दो दिस विल कम एज 70.866, we will say height is, forget rounding off also, we'll simply truncate. Okay, so we will retain only this part. Okay, so what will happen? You need only the integer part of the answer. So what you will do? क्या करेंगे? Or we can write final inches is equals to, we have got 70.866 in this total inches. So final inches or rounded off inches or truncated inches में हमें ये हटाना है 0.66 part. So what should we do to this so that only this is left? Anyone? अभी देखे थे हम लोग ट्रंकेशन के लिए. अनंत, यू वर ओनली आस्किंग. किसी को आइडिया नहीं है? डिवाइड बाय 1 रिमाइंडर 1. ओके, हाँ वो सभी काम करेगा. फ्लोर डिवीजन वो भी कर सकते हो. देखो सबसे सिंपल है, कन्वर्ट दिस टू इंट. टोटल इंचेस को, what happens when you write int of 70.866? क्या देगा ये? It will truncate this part and you will only get 70, right? हाँ, फ्लोर डिवीजन भी कर सकते हैं, आएंगे प्रशांत उस पर. We will see multiple ways. Okay, so tell me, is this clear why we are doing it? Final number of inches is equals to int of total inches. Why? Because we are to neglect this part. ठीक है, ये भी कर सकते हो, उससे मतलब नहीं है. नहीं तो इवन यू कैन रिटेन दैट, डजंट मैटर. अगर वो रिटेन भी कर लोगे ना फिर भी क्वेश्चन में दिक्कत नहीं आएगा. बट जस्ट शोइंग यू कि अप्रोक्सीमेटली लेने का तरीका. ये बताओ एवरीवन कि इज इट क्लियर हाउ वी आर डूइंग दिस एंड व्हाई वी आर डूइंग दिस? एवरीवन, प्रियंका, कीर्तना, अखिला, विष्णुप्रिया, अभिषेक. Okay, let me know so that I can proceed. Okay, so क्या हुआ यहाँ पे? This step में you took total centimeters, this assigned in total inches, answer as 70.866, and here final number of inches जिससे you are concerned about उसको तुमने ये इग्नोर कर दिया 7.866 को. ठीक है, so this gave you as 70. Now when someone says कि my height is 70 inch, can you convert it into feet and inches separately? Feet and remainder inches? Yes, we can. So if 70, now solve by mathematics, but tell me by mathematics, if 70 inch is the height and then 1 feet is equals to 12 inches, can you tell me what is height in feet and inches? कितना फीट और कितने इंच का है that person or the length of anything? What we will do, Anant? Palak has not joined back, no? Oh, she's here. Okay. कौन बताएगा? What we should do? Yes, anyone? किधर चले गए सब लोग? Anant, you are there? अच्छा, Saurav believes division by 12 again, divide by 12 again.
मैंने भी बोला सर.
तुमने नहीं बोला, तुम म्यूट थे तुम.
I mean like in the chat.
अच्छा अच्छा, अच्छा in the chat you said. Okay, okay. Right. पलक ने पता नहीं केवल सर लिखा है तो I don't understand what she is saying. Okay. So we see that this by 12, okay, that is not the answer. The quotient that you will get will be the answer in feet. So it will be 60 and then 10 will be the remainder. So here we see that these many feet and this many inches. Okay. So is this clear? So what we should do? How do you obtain only the this quotient part? What should we write? In order to find feet, so that from this total number of inches, you get only this quotient. क्या करेंगे? Just think of it. I'll come. Somebody is at the door. 1 minute. I'll come. Huh. So what should we do here? So that we only get the quotient part. Yes, Prashant? Prashant believes, okay, integer division करेंगे हम लोग. Okay, correct. So what we will do here is we will simply just right here final inches integer division 12, because when 70 integer division 12 करते हो, so comment I will write 70 integer division 12 will give you 5, because this removes the decimal part that is only required. Or you can also do int of $70 by 2. Both will work. Okay. Then your remaining number of inches is equals to क्या? अब तुम्हें रिमाइंडर चाहिए when 70 is divided by 12. 12 in comment. क्या बोल रहा है? I don't understand you. क्या यहाँ पे? Oh, int of 70 divided by 12. Okay. Then what we will do here? We need this same expression division. We need remainder. So what we will do here is 70 when divided by 12 leaves remainder as what? So this will give you a remainder when 70 is divided by 12 is equals to how much? Sorry, not 2, 10. Okay, and then you will finally print. Okay, feet. This will give here value itna feet and inches. So this will display output as output कैसे आएगा? 5 feet and 10 inches. Now here in the question it says to ask length in centimeters from the user, accept करना है. So here hard coded value should not be taken. You will simply ask for int input. Please enter length in centimeters. Okay. This side is your rough work. Okay. Okay, Anand. ठीक है. क्या हुआ? Okay, fine. Is it clear? समझ में आया सबको? ये this solution. We'll stop here only. But before we leave, let me know. प्रियंका बताओ. कीर्तना, okay. कीर्तना has understood. Abhishek, Saurav, Vishnupriya. Okay. Right. So we will leave with a question. Try it out. Try मतलब seriously try करना. This is the best chance to consolidate. अगर पहली बार कुछ ठीक से नहीं सीख पाए फिर उसके लिए. So okay. Question is write a program to accept. हाँ शशांक वो भी कर सकते हो पर इतना कॉम्प्लेक्स क्यों बनाना है? बीच में एक दो ब्रैकेट छूट गया या कुछ हो गया तो no, if you can do it I don't have any problem. You won't lose marks for that. But for exam में expression में operator miss हो गया then there are good chances of losing marks. Program to accept number of days from the user and print it in the form dash es dash मंथ, मतलब आउटपुट में एग्जाम्पल हो सकता है तुम्हारा इस डैश की जगह मान लो 5 years 10 months, okay, 3 weeks and 4 days. So user will give something output as 700 days or 500 days or anything. Assume that all the months have 30 days in the week and 30 days in the week and 1 year is equals to 365 days. That means leap year को ignore करना, assume कि all year have 365 days and each of the months that which are 12 in number will have 30 days. Okay, ठीक है, 38 20 28 और 31 वो सब इग्नोर करना. 20 right, so try it out. We'll meet let me turn off the recordings.